Jatend piny William Ruto kawuono orwako ayanga e pacho ka jombetre manyien mar piny Sierra Leone kod Bangladesh. E nyasi machuok manotimore e par loch mar jatend piny Nairobi, onyiso chakruok ayanga ma tije jombetrego e pacho ka. Jatend piny William Ruto okone jombetrego ni piny Kenya ochiwore majiwo tudruok kod osiepe kinde kod pinje mag Sierra Leone gi Bangladesh. Nyasi no nyiso ber mar tiyo machiegni e kind pinje ahinya te jiwo tudruok. Gwandruok no neno e kinde mokalo e kind mbetre mopogore opogore.
And to pursue. As I undertake my duties, I'm conscious of the historical bonds of friendship and cooperation that exist between our two nations, founded on mutual respect, shared values, and a common vision for regional peace, prosperity, and integration. It is my sincere hope that I shall succeed in my endeavors to further enhance the relations between our two nations to greater heights.
It is my earnest hope that I shall succeed in my endeavors to promote further the relations that exist between our two countries. Long live the friendship between Bangladesh and Kenya.
President of the Republic of Sierra Leone has appointed me to be the next High Commissioner of the Republic of Sierra Leone to the Republic of Kenya. Asante sana, Mheshimiwa Rais. Mungu akubariki na abariki Kenya.
By dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your government within Kenya's territory by promoting to the widest possible, within the law, the mutual aspirations of the people of our two nations. High Commissioner, welcome to Kenya. Congratulations on your appointment.